Nemu has been playing Minecraft for me this whole time. It's cute how she talks with me. Oh, wait, I could do like ventriloquism. But it would be bad because I would also be moving my mouth, right? She's so cute though. Look how cute she is. Cute Nemu. She's mocking me? Oh my god, she kind of is. Nemu! That's why I have you in this chokehold, Nemu. Just cover my mouth with something. I don't know how Nemu sounds though. I think that's how she sounds. Kirin language. So true, Nemu. Go off, Nemu.
No, no.